So I got a PR package from Fenty Beauty. This is just so like unreal surreal to me. I've always wanted to get makeup from Fenty, but okay, let's just get right into this unboxing. It'll be fairly brief. She sent me one. Rihanna.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.
I literally screamed, you guys, when I opened this box. My cousin's like, what happened? I was like, Rihanna sent me makeup. So first things first, heavy hitter, honey. We got the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation, and they shade matched me to the color 445. I think I tried a 440 last time and it just wasn't working out. So super excited, and of course I'm gonna do a video for you guys. I already have a Fenty video up, but I gotta try on all this stuff with you guys. Oh, double packaging. So yeah, I've definitely tried this one before. Screaming. We got some Fenty foundation. All right, next we got a precision makeup sponge. So this is what it looks like on the back. I'm not gonna open it because my hands might have a little makeup on it, but yes, makeup sponge. Thank you, Rihanna. Next we got, this is in the color Mocha, and it is the Matchstick. So super excited for this. I don't really know if this is like a concealer. Yeah, it's a conceal, correct, and contour. So pretty much it's like a foundation stick. I'm gonna open it. Does anyone else try to keep their packaging nice when you open stuff, or do you just like go for it? It's the packaging for me, Rihanna. Like, why do you do this every single time? Every single time. Literally kills it. Next, we have another matchstick. Thank you, Rihanna. This is in the color Truffle Spark. I wonder if it's like sparkling. Ooh, I think it's gonna be like a highlighter, right, you guys? Help me. If you use this, let me know. Full video coming, you guys. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, honey. Okay. This is what I was the most excited about, and this is the Hot Chocolate Heat Glossy Bomb, or Gloss Bomb. Aren't these called Glossy Bombs? I had the travel pack last year. It was like the, okay, you guys, let's talk about this. I'll tell you guys now, because I think it's like, it's probably a big deal, but Ulta has 3 full-size Fenty glosses for $38, and I don't know how it's not sold out. I'm actually about to head over there right after I finish filming this video. They have 3 full sizes for $38. But the first time I tried Fenty's gloss bombs was last year. I have a video for you guys. I'll show you. I'll link it. Oh, this is so pretty. I can't wait to try this. This is so pretty. How dark it is. Riri. Anyways, first time I tried these was last year in the 3-pack, and I still have them, you guys. They last a long time, like those little ones, so I know this is gonna last forever. Okay, next we have the Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint, and this is in the color 23. Okay. I wonder how this is gonna go on. I don't know, they color match me, I think, but this like from the color, it looks a little dark from the outside. We'll see. We're gonna save it for the video, guys. We're gonna save it for the video. And you guys, these nails are about to come off, but they are from the Halloween Kiss collection, and they literally are glow in the dark, so I'll be sleeping and I like look at them, they kind of scare me. Okay, next we have the Kilowatt. So this is a highlighter trio. It's a freestyle highlighter duo. I think I've started to see these at TJ Maxx, but there's nothing wrong with that. Working in the beauty industry, it's just another retailer to get your product into, you guys. Don't be scared of TJ Maxx. Usually I go for like golds and stuff, you guys, and I know you guys already saw this. Like, I'm so late to the Fenty game, it's not even funny, but like to get all this stuff gifted to me for free, and I'm not even like a real big influencer. Riri. Last but not least, Rihanna was so gracious to gift me this, what is this? It's a brush, but she calls it the Full Firm Air Touch Full Coverage Brush. It's not what she calls it, that's the description actually. Okay, this is the full bodied foundation brush. So we'll try, I don't usually use foundation brushes anymore, you guys. I usually use sponges, but we'll try it out. Rihanna, where's the Fenty skin? Where is it? It's okay, I'm so thankful. But had she put some Fenty skin in here, Rihanna, literally I put the purple on for you to match the skin. But anyways, so thankful. Had she put some Fenty skin in here though, it would have fallen out. Fell out. Because that butter bomb, whatever it's called, that is bomb. Butter skin. Okay, so that is it for this video. I don't know if you guys could tell from my excitement, but I'm super happy to have been given all of this Fenty for free. Yeah, just for working in the beauty industry. So I am going to share probably not where exactly I work, but some perks of working in the beauty industry in another video. So if you guys are excited for that video, I'll link it here. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to add affiliate links to every product I got down below, so if you do shop them, thank you in advance for supporting me in this channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye.